2x. This is going to be 3x. Let's see, 2.5. 3x. Is that coming? So I wasn't on this one, but I'm going to be on the next one. So I don't care about the other one. But I was just going to show you how the things are working here. So I put 0.08, and I'm going to leave the ship like the earliest, right? I'm going to be like that. I play things like that in that way. That's how I play. But who knows where it can be go. Before shooting this video, I was playing that game for like 50 minutes. Man, if you can't see the records, when you click on the website, you'll see the records, man, like crazy money. You know, I've seen one went to the 268 or something like that, and that was fucking crazy, man. I wish I had that on record, but it's not because of the fucking CapCut. I hate that. If you know anything better for editing videos and recording stuff, just let me know. So what I'm doing right now is I'm doing the progressive cash out, which is like I'm taking like my initial and I'm leaving the rest out at the back. So I took my initial right away, but like the rest went to fucking drain, whatever. So 0.02 is good. Why? Because whenever you play with 0.02, you don't really get upset about losing $4. Who cares about it, man? Like if you're not homeless or any shit like that, like fucking crack hat or anything, you don't care about like $4, right? So I'm having fun. This time I'm gonna take my initial and I will leave the rest as a bag. Yeah, okay. I took my initial. Now I'm even. So I don't care. Yeah, I don't care if it goes down. I don't care because I would have took my initial. This is another strategy to play this game. Or you can just like take everything out, you know. You can wait for that 100x. It happens like, just check the tool, man. It happens like 10 times in a fucking hour. These guys are not really cheaty like type of thing. They just give what you deserve. 1.3 is my favorite, you know, because I'm like always. I'm like that when I play games, you know. But this game has a vibe like it is like in a Raydium or something like that. They got this great, very good, you know, UI and things. So I like spending my time here. Even I'm like playing with small amounts, but like I like just wasting my time here. You know, I like sometimes I'm seeing like people making like decent amount of money, like really money that you can't make on fucking meme coins, you know. So I just took 1.65. Look, I'm the winner. I'm the winner of this round. That's how I play, man. So let's raise the bet, you know, because I won. So I'm like, my ego is just pumped. So I'm going to go with $8 this time. All right. Let's see. Am I going to get it? Okay. I'll do that right. Man, that wasn't very good, okay? That didn't feel good. Anyways, I'm gonna recover my lows this time. Let's play it again. Crash of SolPump. This is one of their games, by the way. They have another ones and they got like future games. I did a misclick. I'm sure this ain't gonna fly. I did a misclick, bro. Oh, I can't believe it. Man, I did a misclick on this one. So 2.7. So there are like, if you check like the top, most of the time it flies like really good. Like more than 2x's most of the time. If you analyze this thing, you'll see that they're more than fair. Okay, what's gonna be? Am I going to make it this time? I'm believing it. I'm believing it. I'm gonna get the 2x and I'm gonna get the 2x. Man, I was just about to click it. Damn, bro. Yeah. Anyways, I can make it back. Chill out. This is very possible. I can make it back. Oh, I leveled up. I'm level 4 right now. You know, I'm level 4. Are you level 4? You're not. Okay, so 1.5. I'm out at 2x. I told you, Memecoin. Look at that shit. I'm the winner. Don't be too greedy and be a winner like me, okay? So I'm going to show you the other game. The Coinflip. This is like a Coinflip, as it says. So I'm going to play with this one. This is like really small amount of Solana, but I'm going to play with it. All right. So I'm joining. Confirmed. Yeah. Starting the Coinflip. This is just to show you. All right. I'm black. Oh, no. Purple one. Create. No. I'm going to go with like bigger ones. These ones are not that fun. So let's go with this one. This is like 0.1. So Captain steal my spot. Captain. Yeah, if you steal my spot, this is what happens, bro. If you steal my spot, you will lose, bro. Okay, let's do this one. 0.1. Man, again, someone stole my spot. So I'm gonna do this 0.005 thing again, just to show you, you know, this is not for I. So I'm not really good with small amounts. I'm gonna go with the larger ones. I'm gonna go with the 0.1 again, $20. Very good. 0.1 Solana. Let's confirm. Dude, are you a fucking stalker? Please do not steal my spots. I hope you lose all your money on that Coinflip. Yeah. 0.01. 0.01 is good. 0.01 is good. If I win this one, I would cover my loss on the Coinflip. Okay, so let's do it. 50% chance. This is fair. 50% chance, man. Nothing beats a Coinflip, you know? So if you're seeing this, like the moon that was like the more country for old man. So this guy was like crazy with the coin, you know. He was almost going to kill the gas station guy. So I won this shit. So I'm back. I just recovered my funds. So this is the daily case. If you type here my code, which is Green Martin, you will have the case, okay? And this is daily. So you can do it every day. Like it's free money, bro. Just do it. So you gotta link your Twitter or like Telegram, whatever you want. So click on proceed and free case. Let's do the free case. What am I gonna get? So I got this thing. This is like the coin, I'm guessing. Yeah. 0.125. I don't know how much it is, but like it's free money. Something the demo. And it's, again, that hits that thing because it has like more percentage. Oh, they're like different type of cases. The level thing is about that thing. So if you level up enough, your cases are going to get better. You know, if you spend more time here, you'll get this king. Yo, look at the prices, man. These prices are not joke, man. 0.5, 10%. This is like pretty good deal, you know? Man, I missed this one because I was going to show you the daily case thing, man. This is like 10x. Then I'm gonna do another one. Let's go. 0.04 is my budget. It's my budget. Let's do it. So 14 people, 15, 16 playing. Okay, I'm going to be the winner. It's obvious. I'm gonna win this. Yeah. 1.5x in 10 seconds. Which is like 0.02 Solana. But, I missed bigger opportunity here. This is going wild. Bro, if I kept it, whatever I had, if I kept it, that would happen. Whatever. So if you're playing this game, don't be that greedy, but have fun. Don't like make it very serious deal. Like don't make it like a big deal. Have fun. This game is really fun to me. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me. If you have any suggestions about the changing CapCut to another one, but I'm using CapCut because it is very easy to use. If you are going to suggest me something which is very professional, I'm not going to start learning that stuff, okay? Something similar to CapCut, but not crashing that much because I recorded like tons of things while I'm playing this game and I don't have the tapes of them because CapCut crashes all the time. So thank you all for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, follow whatever you do on YouTube, like it, drop a comment, help me grow the channel. I'll upload more videos. I'll play this game more because I like it very much. And my regular stuff, I'll keep posting. So that's it for me today. Peace out.